Yeah, bro, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of the Snow White F32 channel. You guys see this? You guys see this? Yo, it's clean, right? It's clean. No more hair. I'm bald now. Anyways, today is another video of the mainstream modifications, right? But I've had this mod for so long. I told you guys that I'm gonna do it back in the antenna video. I'm not gonna do anything new. I'm changing something old. It's carbon fiber. So my birthday just passed this weekend, and my brother and my mom and my dad surprised me with a new carbon fiber spoiler instead of the one that I have. As you guys know, my spoiler is disgusting. The clear coat came off. Well, the clear coat is coming off because of the sun, and it is time for a new one. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take off anything that is held in by 3M. If you want to do debadge, whatever, it's the same exact process. And I'm going to show you guys how to install the new spoiler. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so first up we're going to start with the unboxing. So this is the box. I already opened it before because I wanted to check on it when it came in. Quote unquote unboxing. This is it. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's real carbon fiber, just like the one I had. The one I had, to be honest, it did last a good amount of time. It started to fade, I want to say 4 years after I've had it installed, and I live in New York, so heavy snow, heavy salt, a lot of sun in the summer, and yeah, so got a new one. Let me show you guys how it looks side to side. There's the old and there's the new one. Look at the difference, bro. Huge difference. This looks sick. It's about to make the car look as nice as it should. Alright, let's start with it. Alright, so the main two things you need, or three things if you include the rag, but the main two things that you need for any debadge, trying to take any anything off that is being held on by 3M double face tape, is really strong Glue Gun or any kind of degreaser. I use Chemical Guys, or you can also use Glue Gun. They both work. If you're gonna get Glue Gun, get the strong one. This by Chemical Guys is really strong. It's recommended to dilute it by water, but I'm gonna use it and take it off right away. I don't need to stay on my paint. And the second thing is fishing line or anything as thin and strong. I don't know if you guys can see, but if I put it together, you probably can see it. So, and the third thing was actually is three things, right? So a degreaser, a finish line, a fishing line. I race a lot, finish line, and a heat gun. Heat gun is very important because once it gets heated, it helps really well with the installment and for it to stick, but it also makes it easier to take off. And then just get your rags and let's get started. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray the degreaser. I'll wait for like a couple of minutes and then put the heat gun on it and just heat back and forth until I start feeling it moving. And I'll get the fishing line and just start moving away with it. See a lot of people holding it from one side and just pulling it off. I'm not doing that. I like to keep my things clean. When I take this off, I'm gonna try to clear coat it again, maybe sell it or something like that. Actually, for anybody who needs this, after I clear coat it, I will put it in a giveaway. On my next video, or whenever I do the clear coat and I post it, I'm gonna put what you need to do for the giveaway and how to enter and how to win and all that stuff. So stay tuned, tell your friends, tell a friend, subscribe, like, comment, do everything. I'm gonna keep you guys posted, but for now, let's get straight to this. So I'm gonna get my all-purpose cleaner. So any spray usually from Chemical Guys or a lot of other places, it would have 2 offs and 1 spray and 1 stream. I'm gonna go to stream and I'm gonna spray inside here, like where it meets. That's where I'm gonna spray, right here. So let me take you guys. I'm gonna spray in here and on the sides. I'm gonna start working with it from up here. Pro tip, don't bring the heat gun too close to your car, it will damage your paint, so. Alright, so now I'm gonna get my fishing line. I'm gonna go into one side, try to work my way. I don't have much left. already finished almost half. I finished up until here. It doesn't want to move from here. I don't know, maybe I put too much 3M in here or something, but I sprayed the chemical guys and I also sprayed Goo Gone. So let's try it. I'm gonna be gentle. At least I know I put it right. The whole car is moving. I'm trying to slide my head in there. It hurts. I mean, I'm gonna try to start from the other side and work my way here, so at least if I can hold it from both sides and just lift, only the middle will be the issue. Alright, so we took it off. My GoPro overheated. I need to check on that because it keeps doing that. But my fishing lines are over off. So what we did is we got these two pieces. We have a set with them. We put the thick piece in first, and then we got the small one and we worked our way in, right? And we got it off. Okay, so now we're gonna use our gel. We're gonna spray it on, and with a plastic razor, we're gonna take all of this off. If you guys wanna check out my tape video, I use the same exact gel. It's the cleanest and easiest way to do it. I got my Samina in the video. Alright, so what we're doing is the big pieces, he's using the heat gun, getting it really hot, comes right off. And then with the small part, I'm gonna use the Goo Gone. Alright guys, so I am done and she is spoilerless. Again, so make sure all the 3M is off. Take your time like me and Mina did. It's better to have good results than to have your spoiler, the second spoiler, fly off. If you don't have a second spoiler, then you're good, you don't have to worry about that part. Now we're gonna start installing the new spoiler. Make sure to wipe all the degreaser off. You don't want any degreaser under the 3M tape. Alright, so since I don't have access to a car wash right now, I was looking for my waterless car wash, and I don't have any of that either. So I'm gonna compromise, and I'm going to use my window cleaner. I just want to clean it up. I want to clean it, make sure it's dry. It is what it is. But if you guys have, if it's in the morning for you guys and you can get the car soap, wash, water, dry it up, that'll be best. If not, then waterless car wash. If not, then you can go with window cleaner. You should be fine. So let's start getting to that right now. Alright, finger, dry. Start installing the new one. Alright, so first thing, obviously, you put it on, make sure it's correct, you got the correct part. And then should sit, this part right here should sit on the top one. You see how you have two of them? Should sit on the top one. We're gonna go on measurements. What I would recommend, use, like, measure it like this and use tape. Put it on each side just to get a guide for yourself. I've done this so many times that I'm just putting my fingers and I feel it. You're gonna make sure no more stickers is on the back. I like to buy my own 3M6, the double face. Make sure this is dry. If you get thick tape like that, it will make your life so much easier because you just have to put one strip, two strips down. Alright, I'm basically covering the whole surface area of this spoiler. So there was an extra piece popping out from here. I want to make it sit clean, so I got a cutter and I'm gonna carefully take it off without damaging my carbon fiber. Alright guys, and that's the final look. It's on. Make sure this is correct with this. And make sure under here is exactly at the lip. If you have to do like I had to do, like just putting it up and down, try to push it forward to measure it with here properly. That'll be the thing. And yeah, stay tuned for the giveaway of the old one after I finish it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, write it down in the comment section. And as always,